So this is Christmas 2018. My mom's about to make her famous, world famous fried cornbread.
That she hadn't made in
how many years?
20 years.
Yeah.
Okay, I have self-rising cornmeal mix.
Uh-huh.
I have canola oil. I have a skillet, cast iron skillet, a very deep one. About 2 inches, at least an inch of canola oil in here, maybe an inch. Might need to add more. Then I got boiling water. Hopefully this is hot. Okay, we'll start with maybe 1 cup.
All right.
We're gonna pour hot boiling water over this.
Boiling water.
And you just mix it. A little water as you need it. See how the consistency is. It puffs up because it's self-rising. Then it gets a little thick. You want it, if you're familiar with hush puppies, about the consistency of hush puppies.
Okay.
I use 2 spoons because it's hard sometimes to get off. If you get it too thin, too much water in there, it will just dissipate.
Right.
Disperse over the hot oil. We don't want that. I got this on high. I mean, it is hot.
So very hot oil.
Very hot. So you got about that much, tablespoon maybe. You want it fried just like that. And the pieces will be jagged. But the more jagged pieces you got, the crunchier it is, crunchier, and the better I like it.
Okay.
Some people roll it out in little round things. I don't care about that. Like some hush puppies, little round things, I don't care about it. I like the jagged.
You like the irregularity.
Right. It makes it crunchier, fun, tastier to eat, more like potato chips.
This is actually pretty simple.
It's very simple.
I thought it was going to be pretty complicated.
No, not at all. See, the grease is cooling down a little bit. It's not quite as hot.
So you got the gas on high though.
I got it on high. Now see, that's what you want it to look like. That's all.
Looks like a scorpion. I didn't realize there was any such thing as self-rising cornmeal.
Yeah.
I thought cornmeal was cornmeal.
No, cornmeal is ground corn. Cornmeal mix has flour in it.
Okay.
So you can use, it's going to be self-rising because you want it to puff up a little bit. So that is probably, if you're very hungry and you love it dearly, you'll eat all of that.
So that's one person.
One person?
That's pretty bad.
That's pretty bad. So, let me get some paper towels and stuff.
So we just have regular old vegetable oil, Martha White self-rising yellow cornmeal mix, which is new to me.
You want a vegetable oil that can take high temperatures like peanut and canola.
All right.
Olive oil, do not use.
So peanut oil, or peanut oil or vegetable oil.
I use newspaper and put clean. Let me find my slotted spoon. There it is. Jim loves this. First time I made it, he wants nothing deep fried. But he never asked me about this. So he said, ooh, these are good.
Well, yeah, this is good stuff.
Yes, sir.
it is.
Yep.
Little piece
Even
of
those
magic.
little pieces are good. Okay. See what this looks like. Don't want it too thin because it would just go into little jagged pieces everywhere. You may have a mess.
So you just do a little bit at a time.
Yeah. So this is 1 cup of mix.
Mm-hmm.
So I got about half of it in the pan. These are my teaspoons. They are not to be found. I found these in a thrift store. I got 2 dozen of them. I love my teaspoons. They're for sweet southern tea.
Uh-huh.
All right, we'll take these out.
So I just had a little bite. And it's just cornbread. Just delicious.
It's delicious.
Just fried. Hot.
So it's a little bit soft in the middle usually, and crunchy on the outside.
And that one was a small one, so it's crunchy throughout.
All the way through. It makes good either way. I kind of mash them down so they won't be too soft on the inside.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Enjoy.